Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted source for smart buying decisions. Today, we're diving into the best ring light selfie tripod phone holder on the market right now. The Aureday 14-inch selfie ring light with a 62-inch tripod stand and phone holder. Whether you're a vlogger, content creator, makeup artist, or simply someone who wants better lighting for video calls or photos, this is the kit you've been looking for. Let's start with first impressions. Straight out of the box, the Aureday kit feels thoughtfully designed. The 14-inch LED ring light is larger than most entry-level models, which means more even lighting, softer shadows, and better facial highlights. The ring itself is solid, with a sleek black finish, and the LED bulbs offer an impressive amount of brightness. Inside the box, you also get a 62-inch tripod stand, a flexible phone holder, a wireless Bluetooth remote, and a USB-powered interface. Now let's talk lighting features. The ring light is equipped with 5 color modes: warm, warm white, natural white, sunlight, and cold white. This is an edge above many products that offer only 3. Add to that 10 levels of brightness within each mode, and you've got 50 lighting combinations to experiment with. Whether you're shooting during the day or night, indoors or outdoors, this ring light adapts seamlessly. The touch-sensitive controls make switching settings fast and smooth, no buttons to fumble with, and no mechanical wear over time. Next, the tripod. It's built from high-quality metal, making it surprisingly sturdy yet lightweight enough to carry around. What sets it apart is the fold-back design that enhances portability while still providing a stable base when fully extended. You can adjust the height from 16 inches to a full 62 inches with 3 locking sections, and the head rotates for both vertical and horizontal shooting. Whether you're recording a TikTok, doing a makeup tutorial, or jumping on a Zoom call, it's flexible enough for any scenario. The phone holder is equally versatile. It extends from 2.3 to 5.3 inches, so it fits pretty much all smartphones, iOS or Android. It also rotates 360 degrees, so you can shoot in portrait or landscape mode without rotating the entire tripod. And paired with the wireless remote shutter, which works up to 33 feet away, it becomes a complete hands-free setup. One important thing to keep in mind: the ring light needs at least a 10W power supply to operate properly. If you're using a weaker USB adapter or power bank, you might notice flickering or dim lighting. So, make sure you're using at least a 5V 2A adapter for the best performance. This product is ideal for a wide range of uses, from creating YouTube videos and Instagram Reels to doing virtual meetings or even dental work or craft demonstrations. It's that versatile. And all of this comes at an accessible price point, especially considering the quality of the light, tripod, and accessories. In conclusion, if you're looking for an all-in-one selfie ring light and tripod setup that delivers quality, customization, and convenience, the Aureday 14-inch ring light tripod kit is easily one of the best options out there. It's sturdy, adjustable, intuitive, and reliable, all the things you want in a tool that helps you shine on camera. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the best tech and gear for your needs. See you in the next one.